Alright guys, so I was going to do this on my other channel, even though it's small, but I figured that's for gaming anyways, so I have a lightsaber mystery box to open for you guys, and it is from Crimson Dawn. It is a tier 3 base lightsaber. I'm still waiting for my tier 2 NeoPixel. I will do a video on that one once it comes in. Just kind of excited for this one. It's been a little bit since I've ordered from Crimson Dawn. I did a tier 2 saber a while back, and I really like how much the soundboards have improved from Crimson Dawn since when I originally started buying from them. Ow. But anyways, let's get into opening this bad boy and see what I got. Alright. I think I know which one I got. I think I got the Dragoon. It is a very beautiful lightsaber. Gotta say, I really like this. Let's get this blade on and see what's up. Huh. They wrap these blades now. Okay. That is it. Yeah, it's the whole thing. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah, I know it's taking me forever, guys. Sorry. I do not get why this is like this, but we will get it working. I use a different blade regularly from the Crimson Dawn blades, but for this video purpose, I will just plug this in real quick. If it is shaped right. I had to shave the last one down too. And it looks like I might have to do the same thing with this one, so. Alright, let's go. Let's hit it. That is very cool.
Ray Skywalker.
Color changing. The Crimson Dawn red. Alright, well, this is the Dragoon from Crimson Dawn. Really like the mystery box, and I definitely plan to do more of these, hopefully. So I will be seeing you guys later.